What is potato chitting and what are the benefits? Well, the word chit, C-H-I-T, purports to come from a 17th century word meaning sprout or shoot. If you look at these seed potatoes that are chitting, you can see the sprouts or the shoots coming up. Now, what are the benefits to chitting potatoes? Well, one of the key benefits is disease prevention, because you effectively make the seed potatoes stronger before you put them into the ground. You give them a head start with the growth, and that makes the crop more resistant. How do you chit? Well, you put the seed potatoes in an egg box like this, or an open cardboard box, and you place it on a windowsill in the sun where it's cool, and then you'll see within a matter of days the shoots will start to come up like this.